Ladies and gentlemen, I have some good news and some bad news. Bad news. You cannot force your brain to be motivated. Forget about it. Brain decide करेगा आप कितने motivated होते हो. You have absolutely no power over it, and the brain has absolute power over you. वो decide करेगा आप क्या करते हो क्या नहीं करते. Good news. There is plenty of good news also. Good news is that brain के कुछ bargaining chips हैं. कुछ डिस्काउंट कूपन हैं. It is much more like a trickster. It's like a dealer. You have to deal with it. उसको negotiate करके उसके साथ बात करनी पड़ती है. उसके साथ bargain करना पड़ता है. उसके कुछ bargaining chips हैं. उसके कुछ बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग टूल्स हैं, उसके कुछ बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग वीकनेसेस हैं जो वो खुद देता है आपको. अगर आप उस लैंग्वेज में से बात करोगे शायद आपकी बात सुन ले, और अगर उसने आपकी बात सुननी स्टार्ट कर दी, दैट इज द पाथ टू एक्चुअली टेमिंग द होल थिंग. In the next few minutes, I will tell you exactly what bargaining chips I use because I use them all the time. I will tell you what the neuroscience says, and I will tell you what works and what doesn't work. Here we go. 1. You can't force your brain to be motivated because अच्छे लोग ट्राई करके छोड़ चुके हैं. Advanced meditators, endurance athletes, elite level special forces officers do this for a lifetime, but that is what their life is about. We don't have enough either time or the energy to do anything remotely close to that amount of effort. We want control now, and the only way to get that control is through negotiations. Number 2, why you cannot argue with it, why you should not even try forcing it. It is an energy saving machine. It is not there to listen to your whims and your commands. Its job is to make sure survival in the short term is done. Survival in the short term. आपका हाथ जब फोन पे जाता है स्क्रॉल करने के लिए, it is seeking dopamine. आपका हाथ जब किसी मीठी चीज को खाने के लिए क्रेविंग होती है, और you reach for a cigarette or whatever it is that you do for pleasure, it doesn't care. You see, जब तक शॉर्ट टर्म सर्वाइवल गारंटीड है, वो शॉर्टकट ही लेगा. और तो और बहुत एनर्जी एक्सपेंसिव ऑर्गन होता है ब्रेन. कंज्यूम्स मोर देन 70% ऑफ द एनर्जी रिक्वायरमेंट्स ऑफ द बॉडी, the brain, and we have one of the largest brains in mammals. It wants to conserve energy. It does not care about your long term goals. उसका पर्पस है आपको आज कल परसों में जिंदा रखना, और वो उतने ही दायरे में रहता है.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, ये एक खास अनाउंसमेंट है. हमको पता है कि लाइफ में जिस चीज को सीखने की जरूरत है वो हमको स्कूल कॉलेज नहीं सिखा सकता. हम जानते हैं समझदार बड़े लोगों की बातें सुन के ही सीखा जा सकता है, या हिडन ट्रायल से सीखा जा सकता है. व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज द सिलेबस ऑफ लाइफ, उसको समझने के लिए सिलेबस ऑफ लाइफ एकेडमी आई हैड स्टार्टेड इज नाउ लाइव. इज फॉर एनीवन जो ग्रो करना चाहता है, सीखना चाहता है, स्टक है, गाइडेंस मांगता है. इंडिया के सबसे ग्रेट माइंड्स विल कम. They will mentor you, they will teach you, they will bear their soul in front of you. Everything that they have to teach, everything important in the syllabus of life, I will create and I will distribute for free. And in order to join, no entry requirements. You have to do nothing but simply sign up. The lessons that we will learn here, you will find nowhere else. And you will find them impactful, ruthlessly practical, and extremely important. Thank you, and I'll see you inside.
थर्ड रीजन, यू कैन नॉट बार्गेन विद इट. विल पावर डिप्लीट होती है. विल पावर एक मसल की तरह होता है. विल पावर की उसके पास करेंसी होती है. सुबह उठ के आपके पास करेंसी रिफिल हो जाती है, उसके बाद धीरे धीरे आप कंज्यूम करते हो, उसको खत्म हो जाती है टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द डे, एंड देन इट इज रिफिल्ड अगेन. नाउ कम्स द गुड पार्ट, डिस्काउंट कूपन्स, बार्गेनिंग चिप्स, negotiation tactics with the brain. We know that the brain has its own agendas, and it is not easy to speak to, it is not easy to communicate to. It is definitely not sitting there to listen to you. In fact, it is completely wild and out of control. अगर उसको आप छोड़ दोगे तो वो सिर्फ प्लेजर सीकिंग की तरफ चला जाएगा. Now the discount coupons. Discount coupon number 1, just 5 minutes deal. Just 5 minutes deal. The brain loves 5-minute deals. उसको 5 मिनट की डील दो, उसको बस ये बोलो कि इतना सा काम एक्टिवेट करना है, काम करना है, कुछ करना नहीं है. You don't have to do anything. You just have to write one line. You just have to write the heading. You just have to read one page. You don't even have to read the page if you don't feel like it. अगर वो अंदर से आवाज निकालता है और वो बोलता है नहीं करना मुझे, then you say okay, कोई बात नहीं करना, नहीं करेंगे. We will quit. If it doesn't, if you don't like it, if it sucks, we quit after 5 minutes. But you start. That it will accept. It will take the bribe. Why does it work? Because once you start, your dopamine and task positive networks, they activate. Momentum starts shifting. And here is another trick for the brain that I use all the time. I know I am tempted to scroll. I know I have to use the phone. मेरी सारी लाइफ, आपकी भी सारी लाइफ, मेरा सारा काम, मोस्ट लाइकली आपके भी सारे काम फोन पे होता है. हम फोन को नहीं अवॉइड कर सकते. फोन हमारे लाइफ का पार्ट बन चुका है. लेट अस एक्सेप्ट इट. द बार्गेनिंग चिप आई यूज इज स्क्रोलिंग करनी है तो किसी ऐसी चीज के कर लो जो बढ़िया है. What I did is I downloaded this magazine which has a subscription of multiple magazines online, and I subscribed to a lot of magazines which are art magazines, culture magazines. Not because I want to become a great artist or just I want to be a pseudo intellectual, only because it makes you want to see. Where I don't feel like reading, it gives me a visual treat. It gives me something. It strikes ideas, goes into my subconscious. If I'm going to consume information, let me at least consume the information that I want to consume. मेरे ब्रेन के लिए मेरे साथ I have a deal with the brain. आपको स्क्रोलिंग चाहिए, मैं आपको दूंगा, स्क्रोलिंग दूंगा, बट मैं आपको फेसबुक वाले नहीं दूंगा. आई विल नॉट गिव यू दैट इंस्टाग्राम वाली स्क्रोलिंग, आई विल गिव यू द मैगजीन वाली स्क्रोलिंग. मैगजीन स्क्रॉल कर लो, आपको अच्छा लगेगा तो ठीक है, नहीं लगेगा तो नहीं करेंगे, और मोस्ट लाइकली अच्छा ही लगता है. I find myself late into the night scrolling through these magazines, and these magazines, they're not junk magazines. They're art magazine, culture magazines. If you want, I will share the list of subscriptions that I have, and for me, they have been transformational. One of the biggest and the best bargaining chips. It works with humans. It works with the brain. Temptation bundling. It is based on something called the PREMAC principle. Pair something painful with something pleasurable. I will give you an example. I wanted to do fat loss. If you are very serious about fat loss, घूम फिर के आप चाहे जो मर्जी कर लो, it will come down to calorie in versus calorie out. It will come down to you burning many more calories than you are consuming. But here is the problem with burning calories. It depletes your motivation also. Makes you feel bad. Doesn't make you feel very motivated because you are running low on calories. You're literally running low on the basic energy that is required for the motivation, and you need a lot of motivation in order to burn more calories. So what do? Compound that with the fact that if you are very serious about fat loss, you have to do fasted cardio. Fasted cardio का मतलब आपको एक्सरसाइज करनी है, आपको कार्डियो करना है बिना कुछ खाए सुबह. फास्टेड कार्डियो से फैट बहुत जल्दी मेल्ट होता है. I've done it all the time and I use it and it is very effective. But how are you going to force your brain to, without giving it a reward, in the first thing in the morning, do fasted and that too cardio, which is extremely boring just because just even when you are full it is boring. So fasted to is another degree of pain. The only way I have been able to do it is I combine it with something pleasurable, and that is binge watching something on TV I want to watch. I love animations. I love anime. I also love a few series which I like to watch. I do not watch those series unless I am on the treadmill. Then I put it and then I choose the cardio. कार्डियो की मशीन भी उसी हिसाब से चूज होती है जिस हिसाब से वहाँ पे फोन टिकाया जा सके, जिस उस मशीन पे जिस पे ज्यादा पसीना ना टपके, उस मशीन पे जिस पे मैं आराम से देख सकूँ वो चीज. मैं उसको I might choose a cross trainer instead of a treadmill. That's a bargain my brain will take. Says okay, fine. Because you see, it is not about the cardio anymore. It is about watching the episode. That I want to watch, I know. And an episode is what, 35 minutes, 40 minutes? 35 minutes, 40 minutes of fasted cardio will melt your fat. And that is another trick that I use. Another superb discount coupon, negotiation tactic, bargaining chip. The brain hates losses. We fear loss 2 times more than we desire gain. If you don't do this, you will burn 500 rupees. If I skip today this, I will post something embarrassing. So there are applications who do this. They use loss aversion to do this. Loss aversion basically means कि हमारे mind को या हमारे brain को कोई भी चीज, कोई भी loss पसंद नहीं है, gain उतना पसंद हो या ना हो, loss बर्दाश्त नहीं है. If you get a message on your phone and the SMS, you get an SMS and it says 1 rupee was deducted from your bank account by so and so because you did not follow your task, because you did not do your goal, because you did not follow through your commitment. That 1 rupee loss will make no effect or difference in your life, but it will disturb you. आप सारे काम छोड़ के लिंक पे क्लिक करने स्टार्ट कर दोगे. You might even call your bank to see what's going on, but the point is that 1 rupee loss is going to hurt much more than a 100 rupee gain. ना हमको 1 रुपए से फर्क पड़ेगा, ना हमको 100 रुपए से बहुत ज्यादा फर्क पड़ेगा, बट लॉस और गेन से बहुत फर्क पड़ता है, और जो फर्क है दैट इज डिस्प्रपोर्शनेट. यूज लॉस एवर्जन. द वे आई यूज लॉस एवर्जन इज वेरी फ्रैंकली, मैंने अपने माइंड में एक फ्यूचर विजन सेट करी हुई है अपने खुद की. आई हैव सम standards, I have some tasks. I do not like to see that self-respect going down. I use fear, very frankly put. Before I became somebody who was able to make these videos and talk about this stuff, I think I started off as being somebody completely unmotivated and somebody who did not know how to be motivated at all. I never ever want to go back to that. I know I have something going. I know that there is a streak which is going. I know that there is a public perception around me. People think that I am motivated, I am disciplined, whatever it is. I do not want it to break. This is loss aversion in practice. It works. The more you achieve, the more you have to lose, the more you stand to lose. Use that. Regardless of where you are in life right now, there are things that you would rather not lose, and you will lose them unless you use these techniques. Another very effective tool that the brain hates. The brain hates it, but I love it, and that is the Zeigarnik effect. The Zeigarnik effect is cognitive dissonance. Cognitive dissonance is basically आप कोई भी चीज इनकम्प्लीट अगर छोड़ दोगे ना, you make a circle and you don't complete the circle, थोड़ा सा गैप छोड़ दो, it irritates you. You don't like it. The brain does not like it. The brain does not like unfinished tasks, especially if it has been started. It does not like starting, but if it is started, it does not like it unfinished. This is basic cognitive dissonance at work. The effect and the application is super simple. Take your notebook, take whatever you need to do, and start the work. A heading is all I am doing these days. Sometimes I do a heading and I leave the note on my iPad and I leave the note on my notebook. I had done nothing about it. For instance, the scripting of this video itself was a task that I had to do, and I put it there, and just because I put it there and I didn't do it, it kept on bothering me. It has been bothering me for 2 days. I finally sat down and I finished it, which is the reason that I was able to make this precisely. And this is repeated video after video, task after task, in YouTube, outside YouTube, in my personal life, in my exercise regime. In everything I do, I have to use this. You see, the only thing I have been able to achieve so far is I have been able to understand the language of the brain a little bit, I think, and to negotiate with it, to deal with it, to give me, I give you something, you give me something, you scratch my back, I scratch yours. It is a very simple transactional relationship that I have with my brain. I am not going to beat it. See, I have now come to terms with the fact that मैं एक अल्ट्रा मैराथनर अपने ब्रेन को एकदम सब्जुगेट करके, कंट्रोल करके, निचोड़ के अपने कमांड पे नहीं ला पाऊंगा ना, मुझे लाना है फ्रैंकली. I like it when it has pleasure. I like it when I have success. I like it when I let go sometimes. But I know I need to take this enjoyment and I want to keep on going where I want to go also, because मुझे ये भी पता है कि अगर मैं इसके साथ ऐसी डील नहीं करूंगा तो ये मुझे पनिश कर देगा. I can't let it go, but I also don't want to restrain it by the neck. So yes, the brain is an uncontrolled monkey, but it is my monkey, and I want to make sure that the monkey is happy.